Hello, Dr. Singh.
Hi.
Hi. So, sir, your work in catalysis in inorganic chemistry is fascinating. So, what's one breakthrough or idea from your research that you think could shape the future of chemistry or industry?
That's a very good question. Thank you. The most important word nowadays in chemistry is sustainability. So what does it mean is that usually that's a perception that the chemicals and the sustainability, they do not gel together. But what we are trying to do in our laboratory is that we try to do all the organic transformation that is already known with noble metals like platinum, rhodium, iridium, palladium, to do all this transformation with magnesium, calcium, silicon, with all those cheap and earth abundant metals. Now, what are the advantages of these elements? First of all, they are cheap, they are non-toxic, and they are widely available. This is very important because if we continue to use our noble metals like rhodium, iridium, palladium, etc., then these are expensive and it is no more sustainable to continue in that way. So we need to move forward, and if we want to move forward, we need those earth abundant metals to use for those transformation, and that is why my research or our research group come at this segment, that we can do the same transformation using those earth abundant metals.
Thank you so much for sharing your experiences. It's really fascinating. What do you appreciate most about TCI's products when working in the lab?
The one thing that I can talk about the TCI Chemicals is that the quality. The quality is very important because it is directly related to the reproducibility. Now, I work on a very sensitive chemistry. So the reproducibility is very important because if the quality is not maintained, I cannot reproduce the same result. Now, if I buy the chemicals from the TCI, the advantage is that I don't need to do the troubleshooting with the reagent, and I can completely rely on the materials, and I can completely focus on the reactions and the reproducibility.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time and support.
You are
and thank
welcome.
you for your interest in TCI.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.